guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video, this is part 9 of making a Brawl Stars game in Scratch. Let's get started. So go to File, Save as a Copy, and Brawl Stars Episode 9. Okay, and now make a new sprite called Moving Joystick. That's the spread I will be coding today. So say the project, and now let's customize it. So the first custom will be called Joy. Okay. So put 0, 0 and 100. Okay. Let's make it a bit bigger. Now let's center it. Duplicate and put stick. Okay, and put 0, 100 and 0. Okay, and now let's get coding. When I receive delete joystick clones, a new message. Go to hide and delete this clone. And now let's make a new custom block called get direction from X. Okay. Input X2, label while, input Y2, label 2x, input x, label y, input y, and run the screen refresh. Okay, now let's code this. Set, I know we have this variable, no. And now make a new variable called dir for all spreads. So set dir to put a plus, in the left side put a minus, 90 minus, put a an apps and change it to 8 times of a divide, and in the left side of divide put a minus, and the right side of the divide put another minus. So 8 times of y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 plus put a times and in the left side put the lesser than. So now in the left side of lesser than put a minus x minus x2 if it's lesser than 0 times 180. Say the project. And now let's make a new custom block called joystick at X, input X, label Y, input Y, label size, and input size. And don't click run screen refresh. Okay, so now let's code this. So put the broadcast and wait, broadcast, delete joystick clones and wait, switch custom to joy, set size to input size, show, go to X and Y, input X and Y, create clone myself, go to front layer, and go backward one layer. And now put a one reflect clip to height. Okay. When I receive play game, reset here, put an if, put an equal, if mobile is equal to 1. Okay. Put joystick at X net to 159, Y net to 100, and size 300. Forever, switch custom to joy, and set ghost effect to 20. Okay. When I start as a clone, switch custom to a stick, go to front layer, set size to, okay, go to any spread, okay, and put backdrop of stage, and put of moving joystick, and put size. And put this in the moving joystick spread and delete it in the spread. Okay, so go to moving joystick and set size to a divide. Wait, where is it? Well, let's put it again. So set size to the minus. Oh, sorry, a divide. So size of moving joystick. Well, no, times no, a divide. And divided by 2. Okay. Forever. Go to X and Y and duplicate this and put X position of my joystick and duplicate and Y position of my joystick. Repeat until put an equal, mouse is equal to 1, Okay. Equals to the lesser than. Okay. To the distance to mouse pointer. If distance to mouse pointer is lesser than divide and put size divided by 5. Put set touching joystick to 1. Okay. And in the L set touching joystick to 0. Okay. Duplicate this. Okay, but put this safe. No any false. Okay. So put this and now we have this variable. Let's see. No. So let's make a new variable called joystick type. Okay. So set joystick type to 1. And set touching joystick to 1. Repeat until not mouse down. Okay. Go to X and Y. Mouse X and mouse Y. Okay. Put the block. Get direction from X. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. What happened? Wait. Okay, let's leave it like that. So, duplicate this. So, X position moving joystick, Y position of moving joystick. To X, X position, and Y, Y position. And change X and change Y by put the times in both, and in the left side of the times put another times. So put an apps in both and change it to in the X, change it to sin, and in the Y to cos. Of their sin and cos of their times 2 times -1. Okay. And now make a new custom block called direction. And now we'll screen refresh. Okay. Set joystick X. Wait. Joystick X. And set joystick Y. And set touching joystick. Touching joystick set it to 1. And the other ones put a divide. And in the left side put a times. Okay. So duplicate this. Sin of dir and cos of dir times go to an sprite and put the distance to and put it to moving joystick. Wait, where is it? No, that. Okay, so distance to moving joystick, duplicate, divided by another divide, and in the right side of the divides put a 20, and in the left side put size. Okay. When I receive main menu, set joystick X and joystick Y to 0 and set touching joystick also to 0. Hide stopper scripts in sprite and delete clone. Okay. Okay. Now when I start as a clone, let's put more. Put the block direction and duplicate of this, but this one's no, and put this here. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh wait, let's show it. Wait, maybe we have to code more. Or maybe guys, I think that we can leave it here and in the next tutorial solve this. So bye bye.